Namaskar. After discussion about the functions, features, and significance of financial market, we are now going to discuss the components of financial market here. Financial markets are broken down into various components based on the assets that is traded and the length of financing offered. Based on that, the financial markets are categorized into money market, capital market, derivative market, commodity market, insurance market, and the foreign exchange market. Money market is a segment of financial market in India where borrowing and lending of short-term funds takes place. So we can say that it is a market of short-term securities. The maturity of money market instrument is from 1 day to 1 year in India. This market is regulated by Reserve Bank of India for the issuance of securities in the primary market and SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India, for the trading of securities in secondary market. Money market consists of financial institutions and dealers in money or credit who wish to either borrow or lend. Money market developed because there are parties that had surplus funds while others needed cash. The core of money market consists of interbank lending, which means to fulfill their liquidity requirement, bank either borrow from bank itself or from the RBI. The instruments of money market are call money, certificate of deposit, treasury bills, short-term government securities transactions, bankers' acceptance or commercial bills, commercial paper, intercorporate funds. The major participants in the money market are banks, government, corporations, government-sponsored enterprises, money market mutual funds, future market exchanges, brokers and dealers, and the Federal Reserve. Money market provides funds to the financial institutions, uses surplus fund, help government in borrowing, assist in monetary policy decision making, and perform many more other functions. Then we come to the capital market. The capital market is a market for long-term securities, that is equity and debt. The primary role of this market is to make investment from investors who have surplus fund to the ones who are running a deficit. The capital market has two segments, primary and the secondary. It helps in capital formation and helps in creating liquidity in the market for the borrowing and lending of fund. It lowers the cost of transaction and information as the information is available free of cost and can be procured easily. It improves the efficiency of capital allocation through a competitive price mechanism. The price of securities are determined based on their demand and supply in the market. Now the components of or the segments of capital market. There are two segments of capital market. One is primary market, other one is the secondary market. When a company publicly sells new stocks and bonds for the first time, it does so in the primary capital market. This market is also called issue market. In many cases, the new issue takes the form of initial public offerings. So in this case, the primary beneficiary is the issuing organization, and the objective is to raise fund from the market. In secondary market, Secondary market is where securities are traded after company has sold its offering on the primary market. It is also referred as stock market. The New York Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange are examples of secondary market. Small investors have much better chance of trading securities on the secondary market since they are excluded from IPOs, as they can apply to buy only limited number of shares based on the eligibility criteria. Here the beneficiary is investor or shareholder, and the objective of the investor is capital appreciation. The next component is derivative market. Derivative market is the financial market for derivatives, financial instruments like future contracts or options, which are derived from other forms of assets. The market can be divided into two parts based on the trading method. First is the exchange traded derivatives, and other one is the over the counter derivative. Exchange traded derivative, where the buying and selling of derivative contracts take place on the stock exchange. Future exchanges such as Euronext, Chicago Mercantile Exchange trade in standardized derivative contracts, and these are the option contracts and future contracts on whole range of underlying products. Over the counter market is the tailor-made derivatives not traded on the future exchange, are traded on over the counter market, also known as OTC market. These consist of investment banks with traders who make market in these derivatives. Now the participants in derivative markets. The participant can be segregated into four sets based on their trading motives. Number one is the hedgers. They look at limiting their risk, means they averse risk, or they want to reduce their risk. Next is speculators. They are extremely high risk exposure taker who are in derivative market merely for the purpose of making profits. Then margin traders. Margin traders are speculators who make use of payment mechanism which are common in the derivative market. Arbitrageurs, they play in extremely fast paced environment with decisions being made at a moment's notice. Next is commodity market. It is a market that trades in primary economic sector rather than manufactured products such as cocoa, fruit, sugar. Commodity market include future contracts are the oldest way of investing in commodities. Futures are secured by physical assets. Yani commodity market can include physical trading and derivatives trading using spot price, forward, futures and options on futures. Based on the analysis of top 40 most exchange agricultural, energy and metal future contracts of 2017, Futures Industry Association, the top traded commodity of the world, include following commodities in the commodity market: Brent crude, steel, WTI crude, soya bean, iron, corn, gold, copper, aluminium, silver. Contracts in the commodity market are spot contract, forward contract, future contract, hedges, swap, exchange traded commodities. Now the insurance market. Insurance market is simply the buying and selling of insurance. Insurance is the equitable transfer of risk of loss from one entity to another in exchange for payment. The basic concept of insurance is that one party, the insurer, will guarantee payment for the uncertain future events. Meanwhile, another party, the insured or the policyholder, pays a small premium to the insurer in exchange for that protection on that uncertain future occurrence. The insurance industry of India has 57 insurance companies. 24 are in the life insurance business, while 33 are non-life insurers. Among the life insurers, Life Insurance Corporation is the sole public sector company. Insurance company provide many products with different level of complexity that were designed for different group of people and business and other organizations. Next is foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market is a global decentralized over the counter market for the trading of currencies. This market determines foreign exchange rate for every currency. It includes all aspects of buying, selling and exchanging currencies at current or determined prices. The structure of foreign exchange market constitutes central banks, commercial banks, brokers, exporters and importers, immigrants, investors, tourists. The central bank of any country is the apex body in the organization of exchange market. They work as the lender of the last resort and the custodian of foreign exchange of the country. So this is all about the components of the financial market. I have just taken only few important segment of financial market, but there are many more components of financial market, or we can say that financial market can be categorized into small or big uh, components. I hope you have understand these components very well. Do you know what type of services are provided in these market? So the next video stress upon the financial services offered by these financial market to serve individual investors, corporations or government and many more entities. Thank you so much.